Intermediate 6. The psychological effects of social media algorithms. Modern social media platforms are no longer simple tools to communication. They are complex ecosystems governed by sophisticated algorithms. These mathematical models are designed to maximize user engagement by analyzing personal data and predicting the preferences. While this personalized experience can be convenient, it often creates a filter bubble. In these digital environments, users are only exposed to information that aligns with their existing beliefs, which gradually erodes their ability to engage with dissenting opinions. Consequently, social polarization has increased significantly in many democratic societies. Furthermore, the constant stream of created, idealized lives on platforms like Instagram can lead to a phenomenon known as social comparison. Users, particularly adolescents, often compare their mundane daily realities with the highlight reels of others, resulting in decreased self-esteem and heightened anxiety. The psychological design of these apps, featuring infinite scrolling and variable rewards like likes, is internationally addictive, triggering dopamine releases similar to those found in gambling. Understanding the mechanisms behind the platforms is crucial to maintaining mental autonomy. We must learn to use technology mindfully rather than allowing algorithms to dictate our perception of reality.